Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to manage app updates in Avira. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage app updates in Avira. So you can choose which app not to update and which app to update using Avira only. So the first thing you need to do is opening up your Avira. Once you're here on your Avira, click on the settings icon at the top right. And there you go. After clicking on that, you will be redirected here to General and Language and Appearance. Once you're here, click on Security. After clicking on Security, go down to Software Updater. Click on the Software Updater, and as you can see right now, you'll be here at Software Updater. So as you can see, you can choose excluded apps. Apps in this list won't be updated. So any apps that you choose, you put here. For example, let's choose AnyDesk and add, it won't be updated. So when the next update of any desk will come up, it will not be updated because your Avira will stop it. So there you go, guys. That's how you not update your apps in using Avira, and that's how you allow your Avira to update apps. And if you want to update any disk to automatically, just delete this, and it will not be included apps right here, and it will be updated when the update comes to any desk. And a little tip for you guys, you can just click on keep it on to automatically update your apps. Once you click on this, all of your apps will be automatically updated, but you will need to pay for something in Avira. As you can see right now, here you go, you need to pay that amount in Avira. So yeah, so I hope you guys like the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.